Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Bitcoin. Thank you for your support, okay? Thank you to each and every single one of you for your support. I really do appreciate all that level of support right now. So I'm just going to show you this particular fractal right here of when I personally do think that the bull run's going to end here for Bitcoin and what price. Okay, so you know I've got my 200k forecast, and I do think that like we've gone through wave 1 here. I'll just show you quickly wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and right now we're forming wave 5, and we're on a way basically, you know, as we were down here. Come up, fall back, come up, fall back, come up, fall back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is really simple. I'm going to switch to the daily time frame here for Bitcoin, and I'm going to use a fractal from the last time we got a buy and go to the beat signal here from CoinsKid. So I think that you're looking at a considerable run here for Bitcoin. Again, not financial advice, and nothing I say is financial advice, okay? Nothing I do on the channel is financial advice. It's all for educational and entertainment purposes. I get so many messages of people how they're making so much money. Honestly, I'm not trying to brag or draw anyone in, but I've got so many messages of people. I've got people from all over the world messaging me directly on Twitter, on Instagram, on Telegram, on Patreon, on the Discord server. You know, please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. You know, it's for educational and entertainment purposes only. All I'm doing here is relaying what I see in the charts, okay, and giving you the skill sets and teaching you how to read these charts and do this yourself, basically. And everything I say is theory based. Nothing is set in stone, and it's all I love a little thought experiments that I do in this channel. So basically, yeah, just I'll keep reminding you, not financial advice, okay? And yeah, them messages are lovely, and I really like the fact that you are making money, but the most important thing for me is the fact that you are learning how to do this yourself, okay? So remember, millionaires are made in bear markets, okay? When there's blood in the streets and everyone thinks it's a load of shit, that time will come, as it was here. Look, everyone thought we was bearish here and we're going to zero. You know, you have Peter Schiff saying massive head and shoulders. What's happened to that tweet? You know, it's all FUD basically. When you see so much FUD, that's when you need to get involved. But again, not financial advice. Nothing I say is financial advice. So yeah, just a quick little fractal, to be honest with you, why I do think we're going to look at 200k, and why I think, you know, when I do think that the bull run will end here for Bitcoin. So I'm just going to copy this fractal straight off the bat, no messing. I'm going to show you when we're going to end this bull run, and I think that we've already broken out, you know, and we're looking at a very, very similar scenario to this right now from this break that we've got for Bitcoin off that golden cross, that buy and go to the beat signal on the daily. Again, they are like rocking all shit. Let me put that there, okay? They are like rocking all shit. They don't come around on the daily very often. Look, you know, in out, basically. This is Corona dumps, that's why that didn't create one. You get a little bit of an in out there, you know, but here you can see this is substance, because you've come up and you've gone. I mean, look, you've come up and you've gone. This is where you are for me. You've broken out of a corrective wave, Elliott wave theory, and I do believe that is wave 4. So I'll show you again for those of you don't know, from this bear bottom low, okay, which I will give you. I'll give you the bear bottom low in the next bear market, but I'm teaching you how to do it yourself. You got wave 1, you got wave 2, you got wave 3 high, wave 4, and right now that's wave 5. Really easy, you know, don't overcomplicate it. That is it, okay? Wave 5, boom, you're up there. Unless you lose the low of this wave 4, you know, you're looking at that, okay? Until you lose that low, you're looking at that. Really is that simple. So yeah, that's why I'm looking at a 200k Bitcoin and dropping this fractal in. I can tell you right now when you're going to see that, okay? Now you're going to see that by February next year. You're looking at a 200k Bitcoin by February next year, okay? You know, so that's it. Basically, Bitcoin's looking at 200k by February next year, the end of the bull run. This is your end of bull market just here, okay? That's it. You know, you're going to come up here, you're going to rally into this level of resistance, you're going to come back down to support, resistance, support, you know, see you later. This is what I'm looking at. Until market structure's lost, this is what I'm looking at. You've got an impulsive wave here for Bitcoin, which is bringing you up to the 107, I think it is. And look, that's a 2 fib. Bang on the 2.272, bang on the nose as well off this impulsive wave. So you're looking at let's say we go through the same sort of fractal here. I think you're looking at a 1618 by October, which is up there at 108k. You could be looking at that by sort of end of October. I did say in a fractal here that you could be looking at a 75k Bitcoin, which is roughly the 1.272 roundabout there. You could be looking at that within a month, okay, when Bitcoin gets going here. But one thing that's going to trigger this, shall I tell you what's going to trigger this? Because in a minute it's sort of consolidating, it's waiting for the break. There's one simple thing that you're going to see that's going to absolutely see Bitcoin take off here, and it's this, okay? I do believe that it is this. It's waiting for this. the Bitcoin dominance chart. Okay, so you got a rising wedge, boom, 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 give you your technical target, mini alt season, come down to there, bounce, see you later, Bitcoin's gone. You're breaking out, you're going to be looking at 75k, you're going to be looking at 107k Bitcoin, you're going to be looking at 200k Bitcoin by February 2022, and that really is that, and I can't say anything other than that. Bitcoin is looking for the break, you know. Not saying history repeats, but this is Technical Analysis 101. If we go through all the very similar scenario again, you know, it's this little a little pit stop before continuation. This was a little pit stop before continuation, and it's working out beautifully so far. But again, full transparency, if you roll over here and you start to lose key levels of support, you know, you start to lose that low there, then that's your bear market. Okay, but I don't envision it there just yet. Okay, I think Bitcoin is about to go parabolic basically, and it's about to take off into space, run into resistance, roll back to support. But you're looking at a 200k Bitcoin by 2022 February, which is my birthday, which would be amazing. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I hope you enjoyed that update, everyone. Stay healthy, stay strong. It's just a quick little update for you today with like where I do think the Bitcoin bull run will end, and where you're potentially looking at the month it'll end, and your price projection as well. Okay, so take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Bitcoin. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for your support. Bye bye.